The first step is to measure where the first stake is going to go. If you notice, we're using heavy metal stakes. We've tried to use wood before, and the wood just moves around too much. It's important to measure both sides. And then run your line across. And then to paint lines. If you notice, we're using upside down paint. They also call it line paint. It's used just for this purpose, to draw lines on the ground. And then we dig our trenches. Once we have the trenches dug, then we go back and we start leveling them. So the first step in leveling it, we reinstall the metal stakes and we put back a string. It's very important to get that string very, very tight. Then what we do is we put what's called a line level onto the string. You can see it right here. And this will give us a level line. And now with the mark on the shovel, we determine how far down it is, 12 inches from the original surface. This is the original surface. And now they're just leveling out the whole trench. If you notice, we're also using the square shovels. All right, I hope that helps you understand how to create straight and level trenches. And we'll see you in the next videos.